Rahul Gandhi ubadai ukurtong nakaseng Indian National Congress, but ubadai ru leader haka opposition jong ke India bloc, hapok ki yung darbar thawain ke Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi ulapen Kynmaw yo speaker ba ban Theh Shilliang, hapok ki yung darbar, walada ke NDA ke sorkar ka ba layalam khamat daw Modi ru, Hindre Makiru, kum ka opposition kidon ye ka hok ban kren, ya ka suru Paidbah hapok ki yung darbar.
Speaker, sir, I'd like to congratulate you for your successful election, for the second time that you have been elected. I'd like to congratulate you on behalf of the entire opposition, on behalf of the India Alliance. Speaker, sir, this House represents the voice of India's people. And you, Speaker, sir, are the final arbiter of that voice. Of course, the government has political power, but the opposition also represents the voice of India's people. And this time, the opposition represents significantly more voice of the Indian people than it did last time. Speaker, sir, the opposition would like to assist you in doing your work. We would like the House to function often and well. Speaker, sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House.